Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about save as and a little bit more information on it. I do this from time to time. I work on and off the screen, and say I'm working on these seals for the Department of, like the Marines or the Navy or the Army, and I've got stuff all over the screen. Well, what I used to do is delete everything and then save what I wanted to save, and then I would just do the undo button and bring back everything on the screen. But let's say we wanted to save this seal right here for the Army. Well, let's select that seal, and it's not grouped together, so let's group it together, Control G. Now it's all grouped together and it is selected. Now go to File, Save As, and right now it's all US seals, but I want just the Army. So you can check this right here, select it only, and you can type US Army and hit save. Now, just to see if it worked, I don't know what that line is. Hit our refresh. Control W. Yep, it was just a ghost. That's weird. I just did a video about that ghost this morning. Now let's just open up the Army one to see if it worked. Go to Open, U.S. Army. And there it is right there. Press Open, and there's the seal we just saved. So you don't have to, so you've got it saved twice basically, but if this is really what you wanted, you've got it more well defined. So save as, and then check. Now see, it won't let you do it because nothing is selected, but select it. File, save as. Now you get the selection only. I'm not going to save it because I've already got it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.